Hey y'all, and welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In tonight's video, we're going to be making an old-timey dessert. I'm going to be making an Orange Dreamsicle Salad. This right here will remind you of back in the 70s when we used to get those push-ups in a stick on a tube. Or either those orange creamsicle popsicles we used to get. They were orange on the outside and like a creamy vanilla on the inside. And I believe they still make them today. It's been a long time since I had one. But this old-timey salad right here, my Aunt Willie used to make. And I'm going to share it tonight with y'all and show you just how quick and easy this Orange Dreamsicle Salad can be. It don't take much, and you don't have to heat up your kitchen. The only thing you're going to have to do is boil you some water. So let's get started. This is what you'll need for the recipe. 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. 1 box of orange jello, a box of lemon pudding, 1 cup of miniature marshmallows, a can of the little oranges, and you drain the juice in your water, and a bowl to mix it in. That's all this recipe takes. This is a quick recipe, easy and simple, but it is delicious. We're going to start off by getting our water to start boiling. Okay, we're going to measure us out our 1 cup of water. Boiling water is what you're wanting to do. Here's my 1 cup. And now we're just going to add our hot water to our bowl. And now we're going to add our pack of jello. You'll add it first. And now we'll just give that a mix. Just mix it up until you get all the jello dissolved. Okay, now that you have your jello all dissolved, you'll go ahead now and add your other 1/2 cup of water. And that's just cold water. And now we're going to place this in the refrigerator and let it chill for 20 minutes. Okay, y'all, we've let it chill for 20 minutes. It's all dissolved. And now we're going to mix in our pudding. This dessert reminds you of the old-timey little push-ups they used to have. And it was so funny. They come in those little tubes with that little plastic stick in it. Okay, now we're just going to add our pudding to our jello. And now we're going to give that a mix. Oh, it's smelling so good. And you can tell all the pudding is dissolving in the jello. And just mix it till you get all the little pieces that you can see dissolved. Okay, now we're going to do the next step. Now we're going to add our Cool Whip to the jello and the pudding mixture. And I've let this unthaw. You want to make sure you have it good and thawed. If you keep it in the freezer, that's how I keep mine sometimes. And now we're just going to start folding that in. Oh, this looks so pretty. It's going to taste so good. Just try to fold it in. Okay, show y'all what it looks like. Oh, look at that. And now we're going to add our fruit. We're going to add our little oranges. And make sure you drain them good. and our 1 cup of marshmallows. And fold that in. Just get it all combined good. See the pretty oranges in there? Okay. Okay. Now that I've got it all combined good, I'm going to place it back in the refrigerator for 20 more minutes. Now to serve it out of, I'm going to use this milk glass, and I'm going to put it in this dish right now. And I will put it back in the refrigerator because I want it to chill just a little bit more before we serve it. And now we're going to place it back in the refrigerator and let it chill good for around 3 to 4 hours. But oh, y'all, look at that. Just like the old-timey push-ups and the orange dreamsicles you used to get on a stick. I got a little bit out. I'm going to taste test it because I can't wait till I chill it. Y'all have got to try this. It is quick and tasty. Takes you back to them old days, back when we used to get push-ups. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all like our recipe on an old-timey orange dreamsicle salad. And if you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. It's helping our channel grow. Thanks for watching. Okay, y'all, I'm going to show you what it looks like after it chills.